Minister is actually doing a good thing in Jamaica, because when you look at the economy, when you look at the job thing, one time God, nobody couldn't get no job. The amount of call center, the amount people life is being better. People life are do better. Whole heap of people are own vehicle, whole heap of people are own house, whole heap of people are do business, whole heap of people are start establishment. There is so many things happening in Jamaica. People have a different look on life. If when you look at it comparing to years gone by, everybody would have want to leave Jamaica. So it brings me to the conclusion. I want to be honest. Tell me your situation in Jamaica, living in Jamaica and living over here. Why so many people opting to go back home? I understand, say, the president had a whole heap of things that people don't approve of. But if Jamaica did that bad, so much people would not plan to say, all right, me I go home back. I'm actually gone. I just watch a young miss vlog. And she leave, pack up and just gone home, so she go home back to Jamaica. And let me tell you something, she doing well, she building a house. I saw another lady, I build like some Airbnb, some tourist attraction up in the hill, and she's actually not from Jamaica. So there's a lot of things going on in Jamaica, and Jamaica economy is booming now comparing to back then when people can't find a job. People not really suffer Jamaica again, you know. Nobody not really suffer. People might can't find things, yes. And some of them just sit down and damn lazy and love handout and just want to beg. But me not tell no lie, I feel good to see that Jamaica economy is booming, it's growing, a lot of business places out there, a lot of things going on in Jamaica. The tourist industry, after Melissa, I pick up back things just I pick up back so for Jamaica. I mean, I don't know if I'm me alone see it, I mean not biased. That means that the government will do something good. We might not like him, or we might have problem with this and that. Him not perfect in everything. I mean, I pick up or take up film. But when we look on it, Jamaica pick up school, how much pitney pass out the medication. Of course, the teachers, them need to get more pay. Of course, the civil servant, the police, them everybody, the nurses, them need to work on those things. The hospital system are one of the weakest system. The health system are one of the weakest systems I see at Jamaica now, where people literally are complaining about. You understand? Them need to fix the healthcare system out there. Dr. Tufton, I'm calling on you for this one. Too many persons are complaining. The young miss the other day, the nurses, the hospital, a lot of things, people docket. I mean, I don't know if we don't work on it under quiet, we don't know about, but the docket system, you know, need to go digital now. A lot of people are complaining to them, can't, when them do them results, and then go to hospital, them docket can't find a lot of things that happen. The equipment, them, the dialysis machine, the radiation thing, whole heap of things in the health. That's one of the weakest, if you ask any Jamaican, that's one of the weakest points where everybody have a problem with. And then when people voice their opinions, there is nobody to answer them. Then can't get no answer, and that is why people are taking to social media. Other than the health system, a lot of things, there are more improvement needs to be done, and many more things. Maybe put on a look on it. A lot more business investors are coming into Jamaica and open up business in a Jamaica, little Jamaica. When I say someone to be honest in the comment section, this Jamaica what we have now and 10 years ago is a completely different Jamaica. Digital marketing coming in, you know, a lot of things, equipment coming in, a lot of, for example, the country now gone with like first world country. The other day, me hear one guy say, Jamaica first world country, you know. Jamaica not this and that's true, because like for your license, your insurance, the police them don't need to stop you again. Them can stay right which part, then they read your license, read your insurance, you go for pay your insurance and you can't or whatever. And when you go, you know, get no paper for come paste up a digital thing and go on. And a lot of things has improved. So let me know in the comment section, guys, what do you think? Am I being sarcastic? Or me I overthink? Or me I give the government too much accolade? I don't come from with no politics. Not come from with no JLP talk or no PMP talk or no kind of politics. This is just my opinion of what I see going on. And when I look at vlogs of persons going home, a lot is going on in Jamaica. Young people are buying vehicle. A lot of them, I mean, I talk about people when I work, I talk about people who actually have them business. Young people actually are opening up more business and more entrepreneurs are born. Things is happening in Jamaica. A lot of things, and Jamaica are somewhere for the world I depend now. So many people want to move back home. So many people want to go to Jamaica and invest in their country. Let me know in the comment section if you see eye to eye and what I am seeing. Too much when you look at when you're going to somebody hear them and say, oh, sir, build up, you know, it's the students them are do well in a school, you know. Everything just like Jamaica is like in a mellow zone right now.
Mellow zone.
Zone where we are saying, yeah, my country that, yeah, I want to go home back, yeah, Jamaica nice. And Jamaica has always been nice. It's the people that are the bad ones. So let me know in the comment section what you guys think, if you see eye to eye with me or I am seeing things from a different level. Crime has decreased. Crime gone right now. Normally people that say, I go back to Jamaica because the crime rate I out there and this happen out there and that happen out there. No. You understand? The highest thing we see happen now are the accident. The people that want to drive recklessly upon the road and take out other people's life. All kind of something. I know all of them. So let me know in the comment section what you guys think.
Guys, go on. When you have a Jamaican who sit down and pay attention, because when we talked the other day, I think it was Black King Live the 2 mornings ago. These are the things that I was saying. See, Auntie Donna come say it now, yeah, mellow zone Jamaica in and a lot of Jamaicans in a denial. Now, if I think I'm going to reach out, I'm going to tell Dr. Tufton. I am going to ask Dr. Tufton to find Auntie Donna and make him and Auntie Donna have a conversation so him can educate Auntie Donna about what is going on in the healthcare sector. Because the fact of the matter is, just like with the land thing, when people get regularized and get the land title, it no make big news. When them are remove squatters, squatters make big news. It's the same thing with the healthcare sector. So much has been done and improved. When she say that it can't find, no when I use that it again. The healthcare system in Jamaica digitalized long time. Maybe not every single hospital, but some with major hospitals them and clinics gone digital already. So I don't know. So I know sometimes the ministers or the senators or other people where have stakeholders, they listen to our lives in the morning. If may I go send my message personally to the Minister Tufton, but if anybody there here have no connection or have him number, want to reach out to and tell him if he meet with Auntie Donna. She have a big following and this video is making the rounds. Him now need to go meet Auntie Donna and give her the information and show her the evidence, because if you not show evidence, people not believe it. But big up Auntie Donna, enough time I beat her because sometimes she chat foolishness. But that video, well done, Auntie Donna.
Talking sense.
Well done.
Alright, so Kizzy, big up them people there. So I have 7 people I want big up. 7 individuals I want big up first and foremost.
Oh, but before you do that bigging up, Kizzy said something about the health sector. The health sector. So you're saying that the health sector is doing a superb job.
Equal rights and
You Benjamin, please. I'm Jamaica man. Wait, when I reach there.
Hold on. Well, he said he was gonna play it after you spoke.
Yes, me know in the ask, but
Yes, he did.
Auntie P want to have a discussion about the health sector.
Let him play and then we talk after. Because I wanted to say something too.
All right, sorry. Well, right.
All right.
She was saying
Go
something.
Auntie P and then I'd say something after.
The health sector, as in any, I guess, public sector, there's still room for improvement, as Donna had pointed out. And
There will always be
while
room
I'm
for
seeing
improvement.
What
everything.
on Jamaica man? Because she had a question for me, so I was waiting on the question. Because she said I said something.
No, I'm saying you're saying that based on what you said, the health sector is doing is doing superb. Is that so?
In my opinion, yes. Based on what we inherited in 2016, based on where the health sector is today, comparing to what we inherited 10 years ago, definitely
And
there
over years, of course, we have to have growth.
Darling, you asked me a question. Yes. So this is my opinion, my opinion, and my opinion is rooted.
Remember, we're not on a battleground, my love, and I'm not anti your government. I am not anti your government. Talking based on
Mama, me might sound combative, but I just saw me stay. I saw me passionate. I just saw me talk. Me no mean nothing by it. Don't misread my tone for being any farmer animosity or pushback. We have a conversation. So if me go check my tone now. Me go calm it down. But I saw me stay when, especially about something I'm really passionate about. And mind you, Dr. Christopher Tufton is not one of my favorite politicians. As much as me is a labor right, me no like the man. But me can tell you this.
Well,
as
I like
a minister,
him. I like him.
Well, see, a lot of people love him. I don't. But you see the man, you see that man on the Tufton? Me when I like him, the person, I will defend him to the ground when walk. Because based on what we inherited, if for persons who only looking at today and them needs of today, they will not remember when Jamaica was at a space where persons could not find bed sheets. There were no penicillin. Our healthcare system was really in shambles. Really in shambles. And I want to say something to you, Auntie P. I would not know how much has been done if I did not have to use this system recently. And I can tell you, it's Port Antonio Hospital, one of the worst hospitals. When I went there and see the services and see the changes in that hospital, I had to reach out to persons who I know were on the board, and I had to write them and make them know, say,